My tunes.
Hello guys, this is Yomi Keys here, Yomi Akatuba. You're welcome to my channel, My Tunes Studios, where you get latest updates, where you get tips and tricks on how to produce music, on how to mix and master. And also, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share, let other people subscribe too. There are lots of people that needs great content from this channel. All right, so don't forget to hit this notification bell that's there, that looks like that bell, that bell. Yeah, hit it so that you'll be the first person to get notified once I upload new video. All right, today's video is about how I create music, how I create my music. All right, so gospel music actually. I'm a gospel producer, so this is my creative process, and I just want to show you some of the instruments I used in this sound, in this song. You can have a listen. Let me play from here. So that's my audio, that's my creative process. I mean, that's the sound. I mean, it's not mixed yet, so I mean, the voices are not on it, or so I mean, this is still going to sound better than this. All right, so let me show you my creative process. This is my the stuffs I used in this in the song, in this particular soundtrack. So this is the loop I used. Let me play that. So that's the loop. Then this one is an atmosphere pad. Something like an Hillsong kind of pad. You see that? So that's going underground as just a static pad, all right, to just to create an atmosphere for the song. Then this is my piano. I use the giant piano, the great giant piano. I mean, this piano is so good, so good. I mean, it's one of Contakt's library. So So that's the piano. Sounds nice. You can get one for yourself if you can share in the comment section below the kind of piano you use, whether library or VST instrument, but share with us the name of the piano you use. All right, so this is my guitar. The guitar I use, a distortion guitar from Orange Tree. It's called Evolution Infinity. So let's hear how that sound. So one of the things I have learned so far is that um, any instrument you'd be using should be top notch. I mean, if even though if it's not the live instrument, if you are playing it on your piano, make it sound great already. I mean, so that you won't have to do a lot of work. Let it sound well from the source, okay? So that while mixing, it will be very easy for you to work on it. All right, so let's check our acoustic guitar. This is the acoustic guitar from same company, Orange Tree. This is Evolution Steel Strings. So that's the acoustic guitar I'm using. Sounds nice. I mean, just a little touch and it's sounding well already. So, the drums I use, I mixed wave. Thomas Pridgin drums. Okay, so that's the drums I use. Sounds nice for this kind of song. Sounds big, very big. All right, so on the drums insert, I have a little bit of reverb on it. Valhalla plate to give it that live feel, that space it needs. So I'm using bell here. I have bell here again. Another instrument I use. The bell is from Nexus. Yeah, Nexus. Yeah, that is it. So then I have organ from Expand Air Technology. Okay. So and I have these strings. These strings. Oh my God, these strings is a baby. I mean, I love these strings. I love the strings. It's so nice. So I mean, these strings already sound so nice. Orchestra. So what I did with these strings is I used two instruments, two strings from this. I used the full strings, which is this. Then I used the full strings piccato, which I routed into this MIDI plug here. So that's the strings I use. I mean, you can purchase one for yourself. Then I have this riser effect here, which it's a transition effect actually. So it is like a transition into the next, just to create a kind of tension. Oh, we are rising into another level in the song. So this is it. So let me play together with the song. So here again, you can see the riser. So that's the song. That's it. So those are the instruments I have on this track. So let me play a part of it, which is the bridge. So you can hear the reverb on the drums. It's giving it that room. So nice. And the riser, it leads us into another level. Okay? If you like what you're hearing, kindly hit the like button and also comment below if you have any comments on this. The beat is not mixed yet, oh, it's not mixed yet. I mean, it's not mixed yet. that's the song. That's the stuff I'm working on. Kindly hit me at the comment section below. If I mean, like, if you love this, then please subscribe. Please don't go by. If you have not subscribed yet, don't pass this channel without subscribing. I remain Yomi Keys. I remain Yomi Keys. Please subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like if you've not liked. Comment if you have any comment about this video.